To tell people what's happening here today, what you're experimenting with. Talk to these people here.
Well, actually, I'm actually being hypnotized.
What did you just do there, sorry?
I'm being hypnotized.
It's a lovely sunny day here in Northern Ireland, but it's a bit breezy and the clouds might come, so it might get dark in a minute. So let's get going. Let's talk about this video. This week I'm talking about who's in control. You saw that guy howling, but who's in control of exactly when that happens, how that happens? Is it the hypnotist? Is it the subject? Let's find out inside. Hi there, my name's Turan. Already the weather's changing, the sun's disappearing behind the clouds, so let's keep going. Every week I show you a little street hypnosis clip, and then break that down and talk about some topics involved in the clip that you've just watched, and today's no different. So I'm going to show you a little clip in a moment, but stay tuned once that clip is finished so you can find out some information behind what's going on in that video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification button next to that subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. And if you want to skip in the future, if you're watching any of my other videos which are to this tutorial fashion, and you just really want to watch the street hypnosis, then look in the description section below, because there's quick links throughout this video to go to particular aspects of it, so you can go straight to the information about the video before you watch the video if you want, or you can just watch the video and finish it there. But I hope you do enjoy this video enough to find out what's happening in the video. So let's check out the video, and then I'm going to come back and talk more about it in a minute.
Deeper, 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 relaxed. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, that person over there will no longer be your favourite person that you want to meet. You'll no longer be overly excited by seeing her. But on the count of 3, when you wake up, every time I say the word hypnosis, you're going to howl like a wolf. You're going to howl at the top of your voice like a wolf. As soon as you've done it, you will not remember that you've done it. And if people are laughing around you, you'll just be quizzical as to why are they laughing. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So anyway, you enjoying QCon today?
Yes.
That's right. And did you know there's going to be hypnosis here?
I didn't know there was going to be.
You didn't know there was going to be hypnosis? Hypnosis is nice, isn't it? And why don't you tell people what's happening here today? What you're experimenting with? Talk to these people here.
Well, actually, I'm actually being hypnotized.
What did you just do there, sorry?
I'm being hypnotized.
And we're having fun. I don't know. Why are you laughing? Did you know about hypnosis at QCon?
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing?
Why is he laughing? Do you look funny?
He says it's because of hypnosis. What about these folks over here? Go tell them that you're at QCon today and introduce yourself.
I'm being hypnotized. Sorry.
Did you know there was hypnosis at QCon?
I still wondered.
Very good. Maybe you'll try next. Because hypnosis is fun.
Why are you laughing? I'm just in shock here.
Look at me and sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. The moment I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, you will no longer howl every time you say the word hypnosis. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Take a step down. What are you doing up here? Step down, step down.
What am I doing up here?
I know. That's it. That's it. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, 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 relaxed.
Wasn't he cool? He was a great subject. I hope you enjoyed that video. So let's break that down. Let's look at some aspects of that. And the main one I'm going to talk about today is, again, often I talk about who is in control when they're in hypnosis. Now, you see the suggestion that I set up. I'm telling him that every time I say the word hypnosis, and that's hypnosis. Every time I say the word hypnosis, he will howl like a wolf or like a hyena or whatever. Now, notice how as I go through that process, he does exactly that. But then things change slightly, because at one point he says, you know, I've been hypnotized, and then quickly drops into howling and then forgetting that he's howled. Now, I didn't say hypnosis or hypnotized, but he's made that link in his own mind. He's in control of how he responds and what he really feels the suggestion means. So he's using a level of intelligence of his own to broaden the subject, broaden the trigger word, and that's because he's in control. Often when you see hypnosis in the movies, often when you see hypnotists doing things, even watching my channel, you might think, I, the hypnotist, is totally controlling that person by giving a suggestion, but it is just a suggestion. It's up to them as to how they accept that suggestion and what boundaries they put around that suggestion. And that's what makes it entertaining for me just as much as the audience watching. And it gives him an experience at the same time. So it's enjoyable by everybody. Even in the way he processes the word hypnosis. At one point I say hypnosis is fun, and well, if you play that back, you'll realize that he really only triggered once the sentence was finished. So he heard the word hypnosis, but he didn't go straight and directly into the howling. But I said hypnosis is fun, and it's only at the termination of that sentence when I said the word fun that the sort of penny dropped on him, or he decided, right, I've identified the trigger here, and he went into the howling. So he's always controlling and understanding what he wants to do and the way he wants to respond to that suggestion. And again, I like to emphasize that so much in these videos, because so many people think it's about me taking control of them, and they have so much scope. I'm giving them suggestions and a direction as to where I want them to go, but it's up to them as to how they process that and how they respond to that. Right at the end of that clip, I realise as I drop into hypnosis that he's standing on a wall, and it's not the safest place to stand. So I quickly wake him up, move him off the stand. I even play a little joke about the amnesia that I've set in. I've added the amnesia that he won't remember howling once he's howled, but I say, you don't remember how you got there, do you? And he looks puzzled and he says, no. So again, that's another little element of how he's interpreted the amnesia suggestion that I've suggested to him. But I bring him off onto solid ground and then drop him down before moving on to the next skit, which you'll see in a future video. So keep watching. Make sure you, like I say, give this video a like and click the big red subscribe button and that bell notification button so you get notified when the next video is coming out. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial breakdown, a little bit of information about that video. I hope it makes sense. If it did, then please drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell us what you thought of that. Tell us what you learned out of this video, and make sure you give us comments on all the videos you watch, because I like to get feedback from you and understand what your thinking is and how much you're enjoying these videos. It really helps me develop more videos just for you. And if you've got any future suggestions, now people have left me some future suggestions that I haven't got around to shooting videos for. Please be patient, because I've got lots of information and lots of videos I've already shot that I want to share with you, and I'll be doing my best to create new videos just for your questions. So please leave a question in the comment section below if you have any about hypnosis, and I will get round to it. Just be patient. In the meantime, I release a new video every Sunday, so keep watching and see you next Sunday.